Need to install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android phone? It's super easy and you can start using Alexa even if the app isn't available on the Play Store. In this video, I'll show you how to safely download and install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android device step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open up a browser like Chrome. Tap on the search bar. Type Amazon Alexa APK. Tap on the first URL like APK Pure. Scroll down and find the download button. Tap on it. Scroll down again. Tap on the download XAPK file. Here you can select the download path. Then tap download. Wait for a while. After downloading has completed, install the app. If you can't install the app, then you need to get help from an additional app like Z-Archiver. I know it's annoying, but you have to do it. So, go to the Google Play Store, search Z-Archiver. Install it, then open the app. Allow access to manage files. Allow all the prompts. Select the file from the top. Now select the app like Amazon Alexa, then tap Install. Allow the access, then tick the round circle below, and then tap OK. Now install it. Now you can use the Alexa app on your Android phone. And this is how you can install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned.